Rockwell Station. Next station, siguiente estación, Downtown Transit Center. Downtown Transit Center Station. Doors open left. Puertas se abren a la izquierda. Downtown Transit Center. Next station, siguiente estación, McGowen. Attention METRORail workers. If you see something, say something by reporting any abandoned items or suspicious activity by calling 713-224-2677 or 911. Thank you for riding Metro. Atención pasajeros de METRORail. Si usted ve algo, dígalo. Informe cualquier objeto abandonado o actividad sospechosa llamando al 713-224-2677 o 911. Gracias por viajar en Metro. McGowen Station. Doors open left. Puertas se abren a la izquierda. McGowen Station.
Send it to the water chat.
Next station, siguiente estación, Ensemble-HCC. Ensemble-HCC Station. Doors open left. Puertas se abren a la izquierda.
So, it's going to
Ensemble-HCC Station.
Well, they lived in the house a long time. That's awesome. So yeah, I guess about time to. This is just how long have they been there? Since I was a kid. Well, since when you grew up. Yeah. I think I was over 25 years or so. Yeah, that's 25 years.
Next station, siguiente estación, Freeway.
Tell them this house is screwed up, we'll take it. That's gonna go. The past 2 years I've had road heights issues, all kinds of stuff programmed. I noticed that like the past years it felt like everything was something wrong. You know how old the house is? When it was built? No, I think it was like 70s. Do they worry about termites in California? They do. They actually we had to treat for termites in our house in Glendale, but we just did the such rains.
Interstate, doors open wide, puertas se abren a la derecha.
We'll have to monitor it, but yeah, it's like a circus.
Wheeler Station.
Wheeler Station. Casey, do you remember which stop is the 2-hour wait? You're already at Wheeler? Oh, I see it now. Stadium Park.
Next station, siguiente estación, Museum District. District Station. Doors open left. Puertas se abren a la izquierda. Museum District Station.
You know what? You know the wrongs go by yourself. Museum?
Yeah, it's actually pretty good.
How it is? Oh yeah. You guys, I think we should split the 44. So pay 22. Veronza takes 4 and the lane. They all go. I was gonna say, hey, we got 20 bucks. I'll make it up. There you go.
Next station, siguiente estación, Hermann Park-Rice University.